Hello children, in today's video we are going to see about the continent Africa under the chapter the four realms of the earth. Let's get started. So in the previous video we saw in detail about the four major subsystems of the earth. Yes, the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. And under the lithosphere we saw about the continents and the oceanic basins, and under the continent we saw about the continents Asia and Europe in detail. Africa is the second largest continent on earth. The first major continent is Asia and the second largest is the Africa. Now we'll see about the water bodies which are surrounding this Africa. Okay, the Africa is bounded by the Atlantic Ocean on the west and Indian Ocean on the east and south, the Mediterranean Sea on the north and the Red Sea on the northeast. Okay, the Strait of Gibraltar, it separates Africa from the Europe. What is a strait? A strait is a narrow area of sea that connects two larger areas of sea. So the Strait of Gibraltar is a narrow strait that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea and separates the Europe from Africa. So Africa is separated from Asia by Suez Canal. So first and foremost we need to know what is a canal. So canal is a man-made waterway that allows boats and ships to pass from one water body to another. Okay, so this is the canal, the Suez Canal. Okay, so the boats and ships, it passes from one water body through this waterway, it goes to the another water body. Okay, fine. Now you understood what is canal. Now we'll see the Suez Canal. So the Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea through the Isthmus of Suez. So what is isthmus? Isthmus is a narrow strip of land that connects two larger land masses and separates two bodies of water. It is connect the continent of Africa to the continent of Asia. So it connects the Africa and it connects the Asia. Now what is the next one? And separates two bodies of water. Yes, this isthmus of Suez, it is separating the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. As we saw, the Suez Canal is a man-made waterway. It enables a more direct route for shipping between Europe and Asia. So through Asia you can go through this way and you can reach the Europe. Okay, so this shipping between Europe and Asia effectively allowing for passage from the North Atlantic to the Indian Ocean without having to circumnavigate the African continent. Without you just move through this African continent, you can easily move through this particular canal. Okay, so the waterway is vital for the international trade. So that is the reason why the Suez Canal is one of the busiest marine routes in the world. And the Suez Canal is constructed in 1869. Since that, okay, the distance between the Europe and India, it is reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Okay, so the three important parallels, that is the equator, the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, it passed through the Africa. So this particular region enjoys the equatorial climate, the tropical climate and the temperate climate. So it is rich in natural resources and also it is rich in flora and fauna. And also this is a place where you have the largest hot desert located, which stretches from the Atlantic Ocean to the Red Sea. And also the longest river, that is the Nile River, which cuts through the Egypt in northern Africa and it empties into the, drains into the Mediterranean Sea. Yes children, now once again we will go through it. We saw how it is bounded by the oceans. Okay, and then we saw about the Strait of Gibraltar and the Mediterranean Sea, how it separates the Africa from Europe. We saw about the strait, what is a strait. We saw about the Suez Canal, the importance of Suez Canal, and we saw about the isthmus, that is the isthmus of Suez, and we also saw the important parallels, and due to that how the Africa is very very rich in its natural resources. And we also saw about the largest desert and the longest river. Now it is the recollection zone. So here as usual fix a time. So I am fixing a time. If you think the time is not adequate, you can pause the video and try to respond it. If it is a tick, award yourself with this medal. Okay, without any delay, we'll move on to the questions. The first question: mention the 3 important latitudes that pass through Africa. Answer is the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Capricorn. Very good. The second question: the longest river of the world empties into the sea. Answer is the longest river of the world, the Nile, empties into the Mediterranean Sea. Very good, children. The third question: the Sahara Desert stretches from and in the north. Answer is the Sahara Desert stretches from the Atlantic Ocean and the Red Sea in the north. Fourth question: Africa is bounded by on the east and south. Answer is the Indian Ocean. Very good, children. The fifth question and the last question: the Suez Canal has reduced the distance between the Europe and India by. Answer is 7,000 kilometers. Yes, children, I hope many of you all got the 5 medals. Very good, children. Thank you, children.